Hi, I'm Kunal Raginwar. I bought here, anticipated it, I added here, and then I exited here. Right? All these screenshots of my trades with the timings I will post at the end. So today was a bullish day. There was a bullish setup, but um, I traded a little bit differently. I'm going to explain what I did, and at the end of the video, I'm going to post my screenshots so that it can help you to understand the execution ka timing and help you to learn. Okay. Now, before I start, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. So now, welcome to the Game Changers. बैंक निफ्टी में हम लोग ने बुलिश सिनेरियो डिस्कस किया था, राइट? दैट वी वांटेड प्राइस टू गो अबव दिस पिवट. बट क्या हुआ, आफ्टर द वीडियो दैट वी मेड, प्राइस ऑलरेडी शॉट अप सडनली. सो देन माई एनालिसिस चेंज्ड बिट. सो आई वॉज लाइक, अगर गैप अप होता है तो देन आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ लिटिल बिट इन एंटिसिपेशन, एंड उसके बाद अगर पिवट मिलता है अच्छा वाला एंड ब्रेकआउट, देन आई विल लुक टू एड. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, price gapped up above the day's high, right? This is, and it gapped up. So my first entry was somewhere here with a deeper stop loss of this. Okay, this was an anticipatory trade. Don't worry, my anticipatory trade also I have made a system, so which I start with lesser risk, and then when I get a chance to add into the position, that is my actual trade. So this was an anticipatory trade. After that the market went up and I was waiting for a nice 3-minute pivot. But ये जब 3-minute pivot आया, it actually started breaking down and making lower highs and lower lows. Can you see this? Started making lower highs and lower lows. So my stop had come somewhere here. So I was not worried as such, but माई रिस्क हैड रिड्यूस्ड. मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ऊपर आया था एंटिसिपेटरी ट्रेड का. सो देन आई वॉज लाइक, इफ ये शॉर्ट, मतलब ये जो लोअर हाई लोअर लो बन रहा है, इफ ये पैटर्न फेल होता है, देन आई एम गोइंग टू लुक टू एड मोर. सो दैट इज वॉट आई डिड. दिस वॉज, आई एडेड समवेयर हियर. ओके, दिस इज वेयर आई एडेड इन टू द position, right? This was my first buy and this is my addition. And my thinking was कि अगर ये चल गया तो I want to carry it till 315 if my stop is not hit. That was my thought process. So I finally exited somewhere here, right? This was my exit. I'm going to mark it again. So this was my exit. I bought here, anticipated it, I added here, and then I exited here, right? All these screenshots of my trades with the timings I will post at the end. Now what can we expect for tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow देखा जाए तो बैंक निफ्टी still up, right? And it is significantly up and trending. So do we need to try and find a top or try to short this? I personally am not going to do it. अगर गिरता है तो गिरने दो. I am not very interested in it. What I would want to do is still look for a long in बैंक निफ्टी. मैं ना 1 मिनट सिर्फ निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी मेरे को कंपेयर करना है. Okay, this is interesting. Now, the interesting part here is Nifty has not made a higher high yet, while Bank Nifty has made a higher high. So we are going to, मतलब शायद एक निफ्टी में कैचअप रह सकता है. So what we are going to do is we are going to think of bullish scenarios for both. Okay, we are not going to think about the bearish scenarios. So we are going to mark the day's high. What we want is price to break this high convincingly, a 3-minute pivot, and then another breakout. right? This is in bank nifty. In nifty also we would want to do the same thing. We'll mark the day's high, right? We want a 3-minute breakout, a 3-minute pivot, and then another breakout. Now ये कौन सा भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट पहले पुल बैक करके ब्रेकआउट करेगा, पहला ब्रेकआउट, दैट वुड बी अ वैलिड इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू ट्रेड. So I am getting some feeling that we could look to short, right? ऐसा फीलिंग नॉर्मल है आना, बिकॉज प्राइस लुक्स टू बी हेडिंग हायर but the breadth is not yet improving. Okay. Ideally, if the breadth and the portfolio was improving significantly, that is when we would be more confident about this trade. Now, even if I'm getting any short feelings, I would still follow the system and want to take longs intraday. Let there be a day's fall. Let us miss that trade. उसके बाद we'll look to short the market. ठीक है, चलो बाय, सी यू टुमारो.